Welcome back to another MobileSentrix tips and tricks. My name is Derek, and today I'm going to be showing you another repair. So I've shown the same issue with a slightly different repair in a previous video. And Scott Kelvin commented, "Why don't you do a jumper?" What I'm referring to is when an iPhone 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max has this issue, where it's just a white screen. In this video, I'm going to be talking about why this happens, and we'll get a little bit more into the solution for it. So hopefully you'll learn something from this video. And if you do, like and subscribe. Let's get into the video. So here's a clip from a previous video where I scrape and shock the screen to get it to go from this white display to working again, as you'll see here in a second. Oh, no way. Oh, I can't believe it. That actually worked. And so basically what's happening is there's 3 lines on the display that may be faulty as far as they don't get the amount of power that they need to wake up. And so we can run one of 3 jumpers to get this to be fixed, and this is the most common one. So I've already taken the screen off of the phone that we're going to be working on today. So let me show you how we do that. All right, so let's go take this under the microscope, and I'm going to show you where we're going to run the jumpers. So what we have here, we've got our display IC here, and then over here on to its right, we've got these 6 test points. If we go up, kind of hard to see, but we're going to count over 1, 2, 3 and scrape away the black paint that's covering up this trace here. And if it wasn't this one, we'd be scraping the one to its right or the following one. And we're just going to get down to the copper. Don't need a whole lot exposed, just enough to have some solid, something solid that the jumper can attach to. Just like that. We'll get through kind of that red layer down to the actual copper, and then we're going to bounce over to the other side where these numbers are. And there's a trace right here. We're going to scrape that and uncover. If it wasn't one of these, then it would be the one to its left or the following one as well. Just like that. So if I hit the light just right, you can kind of see that second one where it's at. So now let's just run a jumper between the 2 of them. Okay, so I'm going to take some solder paste, and we're going to put a little bit right there and a little bit right there. Take my iron, and we're going to be really quick about this because I don't want any of the heat to transfer through to the display. Just like that. Take a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, the extra there. Get our cloth out and just really clean up the area. Now we'll run the jumper up and around the display IC. We'll have it come on down. Now I'm going to cut the wire right where I need to. And then we'll make sure that it's tacked solidly in place. Just like that. Now I'm going to come in with a little bit of solder mask. Not using a whole lot. Just a little bit there. And then over here. Just like that. Now we'll come in and we'll cure it with our UV light. So there we've got our jumper. Let's reconnect the proximity sensor, the display flex, battery, and let's power it on. And we have a display again. No more white light, but the phone is dead, so it will need to charge. But yeah, that's the jumper method instead of the lighter method. Oh, no way. Oh, I can't believe it. That actually worked.